Hello, let's see another solution to weather observation station 5. There could be many solutions to this problem, but if you guys don't like this solution, we could have another intuitive solution for this problem. So we are mainly interested in shortest and longest city names at the length of the city name, the shortest and longest, and also ordered alphabetically. So to get the shortest and longest length of city name, we can use the max and min function in SQL. So let's say select min, or we want to select the minimum length of each city name. Let's apply the length function on city name from station. So let's see what it gets. Run the code. So we got the shortest length as 3, and let's also get the longest length. We're also interested in the longest length. We can use the maximum or the max function. So run the code. So we have a city name with maximum length of 21 and minimum length of 3. So we are also going to select the city name and print that. We're going to print the city name and also its length. So let's say select a city and also length of the city. From station, where we can use a where class where the length of the city is equal to minimum length. So we can put this query here. So where the city length is equal to the minimum length, let's delete that one. And so for this one, let's run our code. Let's see what it prints. So we got three cities with minimum lengths, and we are going to limit that by 1. But before limiting that, let's also order them alphabetically by name, by city name, since they are not ordered. One requirement of the question is that we have to order this alphabetically and select the first one. So before that, let's apply the order class here, order by city name. Let's run it. Yeah, we got ordered, and we are interested only in this one city name, so we are going to limit it by 1. Limit by 1. It should be limit yeah, we got the result for the first part. Now let's get the largest or the longest city name. I'm gonna copy this query, select city, length of city, station, where length of city is equal to maximum length from a station, and order by city and limit by 1. Let's run it. Yeah, it's accepted. And also, if you don't want two separate queries, we can use the union keyword to union or combine the result of these two queries. What I'm gonna do, I will use a union here. Union the result of these two select queries, and let's submit it. Yeah, it passes all the test cases. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.